Starting in 3, 2, 1. 14100 deep X pros pushing around off that post. They're taking it up, three getting another. Let's see if they can get that last run and then get through it. It looks like X pros might be slow on the top. X pros looking to reset their robot. As we get to 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. We've got Mustang 3 pushing some cubes around. All the reds are off the post, I'll give them 50 points. As we get to 25 seconds, you must switch if you have it. Looks like Vex Pros putting some cubes around. Mustang 3 with that park. Let's see if Vex Pros can get it in time. It looks like there's a red cube in their way. Let's see if they can find a way around. Give the last 3 seconds. Q42 here on the opportunity field. We have